So welcome to Chimp on Cars. Today we're testing a battery tester, a car battery tester. It's the KVB02 from Kaiweets, and it does both 12 volt and 24 volt batteries. We've got a 12 volt battery on here, so we're going to get it connected up and show you how it works. So come on in and have a look. So obvious enough, red goes onto the positive, black goes onto the negative. So let's get those on. And the screen should light up for us. Okay, so we're going to test the battery then. So we've got along the bottom here, we've got standard battery, which is what we've got on this one. So we could change the battery type there. Let's leave it on standard. And the test that we're going to do. So I'm going to start off with the CCA test, the cold cranking ampage. There's a label on our battery that says that ours should be 400. So what I'll do is press the test button, and that will very quickly give us a test, and that's saying there that we need to replace the battery. So the state of health is 35%. Let's just move that up, and we've got 237 amps, whereas yeah, we saw we should have 400, didn't we? Okay, so our voltage is actually 13, so actually bang on 100% there of our voltage. That's good, good news. So yeah, so it's just the ampage. Let's just do another quick test. So we've got the amp hours. So the amp hour rating for our battery should be 45 amp hours. That's what's set in there. If you needed to change it, we've just got the button here to change it. So let's do a test. And again, it's saying to replace 41% state of health for the battery. And yep, voltage still right up there. Okay, cool. So we've got other tests on there. So we've got the that's the European one. We've got the German one over there. So let's go to the EU one and just do a quick test on there as well. And it's going to tell us much what we've already seen. So it's saying to replace the battery, state of health is at about 28%. So you can see here that the tester itself is pretty easy to use. It's a nice sturdy case. It's plastic, but it's a softish feel to the plastic, so it'll take a few drops, which is good for a workshop. And the screen there is well protected. The screen's actually lower than the casing, which should help us with keeping it damage free, keeping it in a usable condition. And we've got the clamps here. The clamps are nice clamps, so we're not just using like those probes to probe onto the battery terminals. So it is a very good, well-made piece of equipment, and you can see there. Well, unfortunately, we need to change the battery here at some point, so that's fine. But we kind of knew that anyway. So yes, if you want to buy one of these, there's a link up on the screen to get yourself one, or at least check it out for yourself and read the description and see what you think of it. So let me know in the comments.